Guys, welcome back to another vlog. So now I'm with Gerard, Kiana, Saga, and my dad. And there's Stephanie. So tomorrow, and I'm back in school. I'm in the video. Stephanie, is sad that you guys won't see me and Ronaldo. So this is the last time you can see me. Bye. See you. No, we're not still gonna end this vlog. I'm gonna tell you vlog. You are the only one making vlogs, but not you. So guys, we're gonna watch this. I don't know what is this. No, Stephanie! Think about papansin. I know it, guys. This is what you're watching in our room. TV. We have two TV. We have two TV in the living room and in our bedroom. We have our grandma room. We have a TV right again, but it's very small. It's super small. We're just watching this. I don't know what is this. They're just watching this. Oh, it's so hard to film this. You guys just watch this. And you guys hear me, and you live in Philippines, search this video. So bad. Hey, Philippines do not watch this. They are Philippines. They speak Tagalog. If you're in the other country, but we're in Philippines, but we love English a lot. And we're watching always English videos. And this is so annoying. He always wants to show with the vlog. And he's talking. You don't know how to talk English, by the way. Yes. You only say yes. Now let's just watch this.
Ay! Sabi ko kasi huwag yan!
So guys, I think we're gonna end this vlog. Sorry for the interrupt of watching that. So, peace out. Guys, we're not gonna peace out yet. Remember you guys? So guys, peace out. Peace out. Won't see me again after this. Peace out.